Hola clase, espero que todos estén bien. En este video vamos a hablar sobre la primera prueba que ustedes van a tomar para el 20 de septiembre. Okay, so I am in instructor view for this because I do need to show you through this way. So we're going to be talking about our quiz 1 with a partner. Okay, I'm going to go into preview mode for this to show you how you can figure out who your partner is, how you can contact them, and what are the steps that you need to take to complete the quiz, okay? So you will be given, obviously, these instructions. So these instructions are what you're going to do with your partner, okay? You will see here that you have been assigned a partner, and when you log in specifically to your account through Connect, it should show you who your partner is. Okay, we do have a couple of different groups here. So these groups are considered to be awaiting start. If you do not see your name on this list, please reach out to me, okay? Or if you see that you have multiple, if you're a part of multiple groups, for example, please reach out to me, right? If there's any issues, you should only have one partner, okay? So you will review whatever the instructions are here above. So it asks you, ¿qué hace usted? Asks you to coordinate with a partner to answer these questions, right? And it gives you here these questions. So you and your partner will ask and answer these questions with each other, okay? And that's what you will talk about when you're recording your video chat here, okay? So this is going to be the content, whatever it's giving you here, and then it also shows you who your partner is going to be, okay? So there's a few ways that you can contact your partner. You can go to our Blackboard site. You can contact them by going to the course content page. And then there is a link that says Partners for Quizzes. And it gives you all the information of the members of our class. And what you can do is send an email. And then you'll scroll down here. You will look for your partner's name. Let's just say this is our partner. You will click the little caret over to select this one person who is your partner and send them an email about contact information. Okay, here's where you will put the email and you'll say, hi partner, we've been assigned together to work on quiz 1. This is my email, this is my phone number. Let's get something set up to figure out what time works best for the both of you. You'll click submit, okay? So this activity is going to be due September 20th, which is a Sunday, not this coming Sunday, but the following Sunday. So you and your partner will need to get together to figure out a time in the next 10, 11 days that you can work on this quiz together, okay? If you have any questions or any issues, if you can't find your name on the partner list, if you can't figure out, who your partner is, if your partner doesn't respond to you after you send them an email, give them a day or two to respond. If they don't respond, send me an email, reach out to me, okay? So I know that this is the first time that we're doing this, so we're going to have a little bit of a learning curve, but I believe in you guys, and I know that we can do this.